Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F5 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our toggles from the top right side of the screen. And here you're looking for the hotspot toggle, which for me it is on the second page right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings, and here just simply find the, where is it? Set up portable hotspot. And by default, it will automatically select your password, though you need to click on it for some reason once again, even though it's selected, to bring up a keyboard. And I recommend completely removing this one, because as you can see, this password is kind of garbage in terms of trying to remember it and writing it down. So I'm just gonna completely get rid of it and set up my own, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, both, obviously, doesn't really matter. At which point you'll be able to save it. Now we also have a couple additional options below that, which I recommend keeping as they are set by default. This will ensure that your hotspot will function with any device that has any kind of Wi-Fi connectivity in the future without any kind of problem. If you choose to change some of the settings, you might have problems, which obviously, depending on what you change, you might need to troubleshoot them in different ways. So I recommend keeping it as it is. From there, just make sure you tap right here on this check mark if you change the password to save this change. And now you can find the toggle once again, tap on it to enable your hotspot, at which point you can connect to your hotspot with some other device. And once you're done with this, I would recommend trying to remember it in order to turn it off, because hotspot consumes more of your battery life. So if you're not using it, there is no reason for it to be running in the background. And as you've seen, just to turn it off, all you need to do is tap on it and it will automatically turn off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.